updating leavers. When employees leave the company, you should remove them from your active employee list. To do this, go to Administration and select Employees. Find your leaver in the list. In the Employee Roles section, there is a link to End the current role. Click on this link and enter the last day of employment to remove the employee. If the employee is a manager or used to receive absence alerts or reports, you will need to reassign these associations to other users before you can make the employee a leaver. A dialog box will tell you if any settings need to be updated, and a page will open where you can reassign the role to someone new. Refer to our other tutorial videos on how to replace a manager if you need further guidance on this. Making someone a leaver closes any open absence records and pending tasks relating to that employee. Leavers' absence histories will not be deleted from the Engage database. They're simply moved to our Leavers section. Only administrators have access to leavers' absence data.